Hi everyone. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Facebook domain verification process. With the coming changes in Apple's iOS 14, domain verification is a necessary step for anyone advertising with a Facebook pixel. If you don't verify your domain, any campaign that uses the pixel will be paused. Verification is an essential action that needs to be taken as soon as possible so that your ads are not disabled for any amount of time. To get started, go to www.business.facebook.com/settings and choose the appropriate business manager. You should end up on a page that looks something like this. On the left side of your screen, you will see a row of menu headers with drop-down arrows. We're going to scroll down to the brand safety header and select Domains. If you already have domains added, you'll see them appear in the middle column with the gray words Verification Pending underneath. If you do not see your domain, click the blue Add button and enter the URL of your website into the window that pops up. Next, select the domain you want to verify. To the right of that domain, you will see the detailed instructions for how to complete the verification process. Today, we're going to walk you through the DNS verification method. We'll be using GoDaddy for our example, but this method is also ideal for sites using Shopify. First, copy the TXT record. Next, navigate to your domain registrar and find your DNS Records settings. We're going to add a new DNS record. Select the type TXT and add the @ symbol as the host. Paste the TXT record into the appropriate area and click Save. Lastly, we're going to go back to our Facebook business settings and click the green Verify button. Keep in mind, the new record may take up to 72 hours to take effect, so if at first the verification doesn't work, be sure to come back in a few days and try again. Congratulations! You've completed your domain verification. If you have any questions, please contact the email on your screen or your account executive for more information.